How to export selected clip in CapCut PC. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, launch your CapCut application. Then click on to import. Select any project file that you would like to work on. Then click on to plus, and you will see your project file at this section here. Now, in order to just export the selected clips, select the clips first and cut it. You can also use Ctrl+B in order to cut it. For instance, if you only like to export this middle section, right-click onto it, then you will see range. Here, select by clip, and now again right-click onto this middle section, and click on Export Selected Clips. Let's give it any name. Then click on to Export. And now click on to Open Folder, and this clip has been exported. Just like so. This is how you can do the same as well. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.